Major players in the marketing industry recently gathered at this year's Possible conference in Miami. According to Brad Feinberg, VP of Media and Digital at NYSE-listed company Molson Coors, one winning formula emerged. Tech plus creativity plus data equals a stronger marketing space. And he sat down with Judy Shaw for more.
From what I've been going to the sessions and seeing, it's that there is a lot going on in the world of marketing, and it's only the complexity is definitely coming through in all the different ways of which we can build brands today and how we go to market, and the combination of both technology and creativity and data is what's fueling both marketing today and will be fueling marketing in the future. And so seeing that from the stage all come together in one place, whether it's from retail media partners or solutions, whether it's from big brands that are doing great work, whether it is from those people that are really embracing the use of new technology, you're kind of seeing all of that kind of come together at the same time, and that's like an exciting place to be. It definitely keeps things new and interesting, and I think that some people are kind of shying away or kind of like trying to figure that out. I think we're trying to move our business forward and think through the ways that we can best embrace all of that.
And Brad, how are you tapping into the creator economy to build real brand connections?
Yeah, I think our brands that do that best are building it into the initial phases of building brand strategy, right? Creators play an important role, whether it's a new brand or an established brand. I think they can play an equally important role. So we build the way we think about creators really upfront in the process, instead of bolting it on at the end, right? We really need to make sure that, especially for new brands that are just launching from some innovation strategy, right, new to market, like we want to make sure we're getting those brands in the hands of the right consumers and the right environments to generate some scale. We know that's, again, going back to media fragmentation. We know consumers are spending a lot of the time that they would have spent in front of media, they're spending it in front of creators. They don't, especially that 21 to 27-year-old consumer does not distinguish the difference between some like more very polished form of media as entertainment versus creator entertainment. I think they see that as one and the same. So it is similarly the way we have to look at creators as a way to kind of become an extension of our brand strategy.
Mm-hmm. Now, AI, big topic of conversation here at Possible. What role is AI playing in helping you scale personalized marketing across regions?
Yeah, for us, we have built, as a company, really taking a very kind of specific approach to AI. So we have built an AI steer code that sits on top of all of our business, designed to provide some governance around the uses of AI. And so the way we're looking at it is as an opportunity to both unlock efficiency and personalization for our individual brands. So where we can identify those opportunities, build the right measurement and design around testing those opportunities, and then the back end determining where there's opportunity to even grow that out beyond. So it's very much a test and learn approach at this stage, but it's all designed around making sure that we are doing it with a lot of precision and a lot of input into following the guidance of our governing body.
And how do you stay true to your brand's heritage while still pushing for innovation?
We have a gigantic portfolio of brands. So we have brands that are over 150 years old in Coors Banquet. We're celebrating the birth or anniversary of Miller Lite this year. It's celebrating its 50th birthday. So those are brands that have a ton of heritage, right? And that heritage is really important to the consumer and to how we go to market. And then on the other end, we have new to world brands that we're inventing or building out that we see as opportunities in our portfolio where we may have gaps, and to reach consumers based on some of the changes in their behavior. So, for example, we launched a brand last year called Happy Thursday, which is in that flavored beverage category. It's like very flavor forward, looking at the kind of the refresher space where you're seeing like Starbucks refresher, but with alcohol. So it doesn't have bubbles. That's one of the differentiators, is that a lot of the hard seltzers are heavily carbonated. So we decided that we saw some trends and wanted to launch a brand without the carbonation. So we find through the portfolio of business that we can deliver on that spectrum of innovation and on heritage, because we have brands that live in both spaces.